Hello, hi, namaskar. Welcome to a new session. In this session, we will be discussing about quiz on Indian Constitution. So let's start the session. And we all are know that today Constitution Day quiz 2024 Constitution Day and take the quiz on Indian Constitution. Okay, I hope you all are ready for this session. And first question of today's session, that is, in which language was the Indian Constitution was written? In which language was the Indian Constitution was written? And the options are for the question number one, Hindi, option two, English, option C, Sanskrit, and option D, both Hindi and English. In which language was the Indian Constitution was written? And the correct answer for the question number one, that is the Constitution of India was written both Hindi and English language. Okay. Next question, question number two. And the question number two asking you that to whom does the President of India gives his resignation? To whom does the President of India gives his resignation? And the options are for the question number two, that is to Chief Justice of Supreme Court, option B, Parliament, option C, Vice President of India, and option D, that is Prime Minister of India. To whom does the President of India gives his or gives her resignation? And correct answer for the question number two, that is a president can give his or resignation to the vice president of India. Okay. Next question, question number three. And the question number three asking you that before the independence of India, Dadra and Nagar Haveli were under whose administrative control? Before the independence of India, Dadra and Nagar Haveli were under whose administrative control? And options are for the question number three, that is under the administrative control of Sri Lanka, British, Portuguese, and Dutch. And the correct answer for the question number three, that is the Dadra Nagar Haveli before Indian independence was under the administrative control of Portuguese. Okay. Next question, question number four. And the question number four asking you that the Union Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to whom? The Union Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to whom? And the options are for the question number four, that is House of the People, option B, Rajya Sabha, option C, President, and option D, that is Prime Minister. The Union Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to whom? And the correct answer for the question number four, they all are responsible, collectively responsible to House of the People or Lok Sabha. Okay. Next question, question number five. And the question number five asking you that who was the power to declare national emergency? Who was the power to declare national emergency? And options are for the question number five, that is the President of India, option B, the Vice President of India, option C, the Prime Minister of India, and option D, that is the Speaker of Lok Sabha. Who has the power to declare national emergency? And the correct answer for the question number five, that is the President of India has the power to declare national emergency. Okay. Next question, question number six. And the question number six asking you that the Constituent Assembly held how many sessions to frame the Constitution of India between December 1946 to November 1949? Between this year, how many session was organized? How many sessions are held by the Constituent Assembly to frame the Indian Constitution? And the options are for the question number 6, that is 11 session, option B 10 session, option C 12 session, and option D, that is 15 session. And the correct answer for the question number 6, that is the Constitution Assembly take 11 sessions to frame the Indian Constitution of India between December 1946 to November 1949. Okay. Next question, question number 7. And the question number 7 asking you that how many members can the President of India nominates to the Rajya Sabha? How many members can the President of India nominates to the Rajya Sabha or the Council of States? And the options are for the question number 7, that is 12 members, option A 10 members, option C 11 members, and option D, that is 15 members. How many members can the President of India nominates to the Rajya Sabha? And the correct answer for the question number 7, that is the president can be nominated 12 members to the Rajya Sabha. Okay. Next question, question number 8. And the question number 8 asking you that how many reads are in the Indian Constitution? How many reads are in the Indian Constitution? And the options are for the question number 8, that is there are 3 reads, option B there are 4 reads, option C there are 5 reads, and option D, that is there are 6 reads. How many reads are in the Indian Constitution? And the correct answer for the question number 8, there are 5 reads in the Indian Constitution. Okay, next question, question number 9. And the question number 9 asking you that when did the Constitution of India become effective? When did the Indian Constitution of India become effective? And the options are for the question number 9, that is 9 December 1946. Option B, 26 November 1949. Option C, 15 August 1947. And option D, that is 26 January 1950. When did the Constitution of India become effective? And the correct answer for the question number 9, that is the Constitution of India became effective from 26 January 1950. And if someone asking you that when the Indian Constitution adopted in the year 1949, 26 November, but effective come into effective from 26 January 1950. Okay, next question, question number 10. And the question number 10 asking you that who wrote the preamble of Indian Constitution? Who wrote the preamble of Indian Constitution? And options are for the question number 10, that is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Option B, Pandit Nehru. Option C, Mahatma Gandhi. And option D, that is Subhash Chandra Bose. Among the following Indian who wrote the preamble of Indian Constitution? And the correct answer for the question number 10, that is Pandit Nehru wrote the preamble of Indian Constitution. Okay. Next question, question number 11. And the question number 11 asking you that what is the exact constitutional status on 26 January 1950? What is the exact constitutional status on 26 January 1950? And the options are for the question number 11, that is the Democratic Republic. Option B, a sovereign democratic republic. Option C, a sovereign secular democratic republic. And option D, that is the sovereign socialist secular democratic and republic. And the correct answer for the question number 11, that is the exact constitutional status on 26 January 1950, that is India is a sovereign, democratic and republic. If someone asking you that what is the exact constitutional status of India presently India is a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic and republic. Okay, next question, question number 12. And the question number 12 asking you that which is the largest committee on Indian Parliament? Which is the largest committee on Indian Parliament? And options are for the question number 12, that is House Committee. Option B, Estimate Committee. Option C, General Purpose Committee. And option D, that is Business Advisory Committee. Among the following committee, which is the largest committee on Indian Parliament? And the correct answer for the question number 12, that is Estimate Committee, which is consist of 30 member, is the largest committee on Indian Parliament. Okay, there are 30 member in Estimate Committee, so it is known as the largest committee on Indian Parliament. Okay, next question, question number 13. In which year Orissa renamed as Odisha? In which year Orissa renamed as Odisha? And options are for the question number 13, that is in the year 2011. Option B, in the year 2010. Option C, in the year 2009. And option D, that is in the year 2012. In which year Orissa renamed as Odisha? And the correct answer for the question number 13, in the year 2011, 4 November. 4 November 2011, Orissa renamed as Odisha. Okay, next question, question number 14. And the question number 14 asking you that which High Court has the jurisdiction over Andaman and Nicobar Island? Which High Court has the jurisdiction over Andaman and Nicobar Island? And the options are for the question number 14, that is Madras High Court. Option B, Kolkata High Court. Option C, Bombay High Court. And option D, that is Delhi High Court. Among the following High Court, which High Court has the jurisdiction over Andaman and Nicobar Island? And the correct answer for the question number 14, that is Madras High Court has the jurisdiction over Andaman and Nicobar Island. Okay, next question, question number 15. And the question number 15 asking you that who is the father of Indian Constitution? Who is the father of Indian Constitution? And options are for the question number 15, that is Mahatma Gandhi. Option B, Pandit Nehru. Option C, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. And option 4, that is Subhash Chandra Bose. Among the following freedom fighter, among the following Indians, who is recognized as the father of Indian Constitution? And the correct answer for the question number 15, that is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is regarded as the father of Indian Constitution. Okay, next question, question number 16. And the question number 16 asking you that when was the 104th amendment of the Constitution of India updated? When was the 104th amendment of the Indian Constitution updated? And the options of the question number 16, that is 25th January 2019. Option B, 26th January 2020. Option C, 1st January 2019. And option D, you can eliminate. This is a wrong option. Only among the following three options, when was the 104th amendment of the Constitution of India updated? And the correct answer for the question number 16, that is on 26th January 2020, 104th amendment of the Constitution of India updated. Okay, this is 104th amendment regarding the SC/ST reservation. Okay, next question, question number 17, and the last question of today's session, that is first meeting of Constituent Assembly took place in which year? First meeting of Constituent Assembly took place in which year? And the options are for the question number 17, that is 9 December 1946. Option B, 26 November 1949. Option C, 15 August 1947. And option D, that is 26 January 1950. Among the following year, the first meeting of Constituent Assembly took place in which year? And the correct answer for the question number 17, that is on 9 December 1946, first meeting of Constituent Assembly took place. Okay, this is watch all about today's session. I hope you enjoy this session. You got